Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove minimum age restriction on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, go ahead, open your Instagram app. Now tap on this profile icon in the bottom right. Tap on this three horizontal icon on top right. Now go ahead, scroll down to the bottom, tap on this option of account type and tools, and simply switch to professional account. Tap on continue, tap on done, business, tap on next, skip it, and now you're gonna go back. Once you have done so, again tap on this three horizontal line on top and simply scroll and tap on this option of business tools and controls. Now tap on this option of minimum age. Right after, you can see you have a minimum age for people everywhere, and by country set a different minimum age in specific countries. For example, you could set the default to 21 but allow people in Canada to be 18. So you have to manually add the restriction for it. Apparently you do not have any on Instagram yet. If you have added, make sure to remove it and make it, according to you. You can add the restriction age range. You can also choose the country in where you would like to add the restriction for your account, or where you don't want to, you can manually add. So if there is any, you can simply change it accordingly. Otherwise you don't have to. Now tap on this done and you're good to go. So that is basically it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.